From the monster lineups for COVID testing, this one's in Los Angeles this weekend, to the ever closer to capacity hospitals where COVID is again spiking in America, the fear of the moment is a looming collective potential super spreader. The countless family get-togethers for this week's U.S. Thanksgiving.
You see people traveling, you see the clips on TV, people's at airports. I mean, those are the things we've got to realize are going to get us into even more trouble than we're in right now.
But even as COVID experts all but beg Americans to be extra vigilant at airports and the dinner table, there's pushback.
When you're in the majority, you have the vote.
Consider this yesterday in Washington state, a protest against restrictions on holiday gatherings.
We're being manipulated, and it's up to us to say we're not taking it no more. We're going to have Thanksgiving with our family, and you're not going to tell us otherwise.
Meanwhile, as America braces, the president again today went golfing, as his lawyers kept up that other battle, Trump's efforts to reverse the outcome of this month's election. Increasingly, even high-profile Republicans now urge the president to give up and just plain move on.
The president's legal team has been a national embarrassment.
From the former Republican governor of New Jersey, Chris Christie, to the current Republican governor of Maryland, Larry Hogan.
It's time for them to stop the nonsense. It just gets more bizarre every single day.
And yet, Trump's lawyers keep at it. In another courtroom loss yesterday, a judge in Pennsylvania ruled the case was, quote, without merit, speculative, and unsupported by evidence. Today, the Trump campaign filed an appeal regardless. Paul Hunter, CBC News, Washington.